The Count by Attribute tool is very useful to be able to use the attribute tag and the blocks that are found within the drawing and provide us a result. Oftentimes I use this for parking calcs. So I already have a block in here with the different parking spaces assigned or available for that parking area. And so we have the different numbers, but I want to add them all together. So I'll use Count by Attribute. And it doesn't matter what the block is. We simply select the attribute tag. Not the block, but the attribute tag. And what it will do is it will look for all of these blocks. And you see the name of the block there at the cursor, but you also find it at the command line. So it read the name of the block as well as the tag information, and it's going to, by default, if I press enter, count every single block and that tag, the value in that tag, and add them all together. So if I just press enter right here, you notice that the total for all of the different parking space block tags that we're using is 44. Now if there's a letter in here, maybe I've changed this from 9 and make it A instead, and to run that function again, it's just going to ignore that block and not add any values at all. So I'll press enter here, and it should be 35, 9 less, because I put the letter A in instead. So I'm going to undo. We'll put that 9 back in there. And it doesn't have to add all of the blocks. So I can come back to Count by Attribute, select that tag again, and we can just choose to select which blocks to add. So maybe I just want to add the middle blocks, these 3. You notice I'm not really paying attention to just selecting the blocks. I can do a window of everything, and it will filter out just those blocks, and then I can press enter, and the value will be just those selected blocks and the tags and the values in those tags. Great way again to do a quick calc and count for us the values that we've already assigned into specific blocks, and giving us some type of quantity or material takeoff that we may need.